face melt leaves an awesome finish though. Alright, that came out just awesome. Now this is what 1450 looks like. All right, there's the two pieces. About an 1/8 of an inch difference in width, and but the wider one is about a 1/4 inch shorter. So that's okay. We're going to be using this one. I'm going to be cutting off this from that scribe, if you can see it about there. I'm going to cut this off in a bandsaw. I'm going to use this part on the This gives us a flat surface to work from. This is going to be the foot for the leg vise. Not cooperating with me today. Jerry Kirkpatrick. Valley Forge is his channel. Jerry's a great guy, and I'm gonna slip this in behind that of course, and bring it down here, and hopefully that will still work. Vise, these leg vices I've seen. Job. So this being spring steel, you know, when you heat it and let it cool, it can get brittle. And down in here, I had bent the tab. And this all should go together. Well, that's final assembly. The vise is in actually pretty good shape. Jaws are parallel, they're clean. When the vise, you close the vise and it closes up real nice and even. The vise is actually in really good shape. Screws in really good shape, not even close to being worn out at all. No maker's mark on the vise. The little horn piece that comes out here, like over here, is broken off. Who knows when. It's old vise. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll be able to do a project soon and actually use this. I'm not going to do that in this video, but I do have some projects I want to blacksmith, and hopefully we'll get those going here relatively soon. It might be a month or two, but especially wait till it warms up a little bit. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Please make a comment. Things you like, things you don't like, whatever it takes. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you very much.